Greetings, it is Wednesday, February 24th, 2021. This is a drawing I did in 2017, signed with the year copyright CE, Common Era on the lower right there. And a couple of days ago, or a day or two ago, I did some more black ink drawing to bring out. I wanted to have the Hebrew letters here show up with greater contrast, so I drew, you see a lot of like little dashes and dots around the letters, black dots in the center of these gold color letters, and black outlined around the outside perimeter of the letters. Same thing with those two letters there. I also added kind of like little diagonal, horizontal-ish lines on the left and right sides of both of the vertical posts. This one on the left, it says Colonel Eduard Fischer. This one on the right says gefilte fish. I also added kind of similar lines around the outside body of this gefilte fish here. On the around the, see those like little vertical lines coming out of the bottom of the kind of legs or feet of the Colonel Fischer gefilte fish here. And I also added a little bit of black India ink around on the body of this fish and on the kind of like the snout there. Same with this here around on the upper eyes there, like kind of protruding eyelashes, and a bit more in these kind of like horn sphere like shapes there. So there you have it. It's now completely done. I'm not planning on every time I looked at it, which I came across it now and then the last 2-3 years, I'd say I really need to work on those letters because they were just kind of faint, and I thought they needed more contrast. So there you have it. We also have the colonel who is mustached. We see his mustache here, and it's also a Hanukkah menorah, 8 candles plus the main one there. All right, there you have it. And to see other gefilte fish drawings I've done, among them other gefilte fish menorahs, just type gefilte A K Segan in the YouTube search box. All right, there you have it.